So at the car rental place, there's this boat, and I'm not sure if that, I think that was put there by Irma, my mom said. People are staring at me because I'm in this car by myself. Yay. Mom's just going to renew the rental car because she's actually staying for another 2 weeks. I need to get back home so I can fill out more job applications and do some interviews and whatnot. And yeah, it's kind of sad. I wish I could stay, but I have a lot of things I need to do back in Boston, so that's what's going on. We are going to go grab some brunch, lunch situation before my flight. It's 11 a.m. now. My flight actually got delayed until 3:30, so I have a little bit more time to wiggle around with. I'm not sure if it's gonna get delayed any further, but thankfully at this time my layover is longer, so the fact that it was delayed 45 minutes won't make a dent in the 4-hour layover I have. And worst case scenario, there's trains and buses that go to Boston from JFK. It's in New York. It's not like that far. There's trains and buses. I'm not sure how late they run, but worst case scenario, I spend some time in New York. I guess. I don't know. So I made it back. I'm back in Boston. I wanted to film more of my actual travel days, but honestly, they were both pretty bad. Just on the way down, kind of had that missing my flight nightmare. And on the way back up, I sat with rude people. One girl kept asking to change seats with me on the plane. I was like, no, I picked the seat. No, not trying to be rude, but this is my seat. Then I had a layover with a bunch of screaming kids, and like a nosy one too, who kept like coming up behind me and looking at my laptop. Super weird. But I'm home. I had a great time. I got a great sunburn. And I have a lot of footage to edit. I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing my little adventure. I'm hoping to go on more soon, even if they're just closer to home, and to share them with you. All right, bye.